You would like to go camping with a trailer, but you're scared because you never have driven one before? I'm gonna take your fear. Come on, let's go. I'll show you how easy it is. Hey guys, it's Patrick from the Trailer Buddies. Today I want to show you how easy it is to drive a trailer like this in Germany, at least. So for the German law, you don't need a special driver license. It's enough with your normal, car driver license to drive up to 3.5 tons in total mass. That is like the trailer plus the car, right? So in our case, it's way below that. We even drove a quite bigger caravan already with my car here. In this video today, I want to show you how you hook it up to your car and a few tips and tricks. So let's start with it. In Germany, we have always the same hitch for the trailer. It's always a 50mm head, and the hitch always is the same standard for every trailer that you can hook up to a car. You also have always the same plug. It can be 7 or 13 pins, but it's always looking the same. So like in America, it's not the same. You don't have two versions of it. You always have the same plug. What you need to attach is this security line that you can see here maybe. So this you pull over the hitch. So in case that your trailer detaches from the car somehow at some point, it will pull the brake so that it's not uncontrollably running on the street. Also a tip, always use the brake, right? So this is the brake in the open state. To close it, you have to pull it like this, and then it's closed. With the jack wheel, you can lower the whole trailer in the front so that it's easier to hook it up to the car. Here you can see the hitch at the car. So there's like a little protection, because when you drive a trailer like this one, you always need a little bit of lubricant on the head here to let the head move a bit easier on the ball. If you have a bigger caravan that has like this anti-sway system, it's not allowed to have lubricant on the head, because like this system needs to be tight. Let's attach it. I already prepared the trailer a bit. I lowered it a bit. With this size of a trailer, it's easy to like just get it lift up. And as you can see, there is a small plus here on the hitch that shows you that it's correctly done. The next step would be to get the brake done. And then you take the electricity cable. Oh, it's a bit wrong here. And you attach it like that with a turning move. That's it. The brake has to be opened now. And what you can do next is lower the wheel until it's like free. You put it in a position where it cannot touch the ground. So when you're done at hooking it up, it should look anything like that. Always check the lights before you drive away. Before we get the trailer back in the garage, a few more tips and tricks, right? So if you have a small trailer like we do, it's not that bad to drive it. It's actually feeling like you would drive your car normally. Just you have to have in mind that you have like, a few meters more in the back. So you take the curve a bit longer. When it comes to reversing it, there's a lot of videos out there that can show you all the detail and technical stuff. In my opinion, I think it's a bit about trial and error, right? So if you're unsure how to do it, you start at a simple big road, right, to try it. You can even stop, if it's not a busy road, you can stop in between, walk out and see how it behaves, right? And usually with the mirrors, you can already work quite well, I would say. If it comes to a very tight setup like we have, yes, you can see, even if I did it like a few times already, sometimes, you don't really hit it perfectly, so you have to go back up. And if then someone is there and, has to wait, then he has to wait, right? So no worries. No one is perfect from the beginning. You also can learn it, right? Alright guys, let's uncouple the trailer now and put it back to the garage. Yeah, okay. So if you are interested in the topic, you can check out more videos. If you're interested in how our trailer looks from the inside, we have a video out there. And I would see you in the next episode then on Sunday. So stay tuned. Goodbye.